Wycliffe Chivhayo has once again made headlines after gifting evangelist Traimo Mparinga, a well-known street preacher based in central Harare, a brand new 2025 Toyota Fortuner 2.4 GD6 and $50,000 in cash. Sarabina mashoko panguva inoi aiwa vanhu voya panguva inoi aiwa vachitenda paWycliffe Chivhayo pamwe chete aiwa nokufarawo kuti aiwa munhu anozikanwa nemukurumbira anyasi kuparidza zvinonyasa kuonekwa kunzi vanhu vanobata panguva inoi uyewo achipiwa this motor vehicle as a gift kuti aramba achiendera mberi nokuparidza nokuti wasubscribe like out on the bell kuti mina muna mumudanyi kwamuchenze. Mparinga, recognized for his passionate open-air sermons at the corner of the First Street and Seke Avenue, is a familiar figure to many in the capital. In a post shared on his social media platforms on Friday, 25 July, Chivhayo praised Mparinga's grassroots evangelism, contrasting with the more conventional pulpit preaching. He described Mparinga as a spiritual compass, whose simple yet powerful message have uplifted the spirits of everyday Zimbabweans. According to Chivhayo, preaching without a stage, microphone, or amplification, Mparinga's sermons, often laced with humor and biblical insight, have become a fixture of Harare's urban landscape. The $50,000 cash gift, alongside the fully paid Toyota Fortuner, is meant to support Mparinga's growing ministry. Chivhayo said the funds could be used to purchase instruments, set up proper outreach equipment, or expand his evangelism work. He also praised the preacher's humility and refusal to speak ill of other church leaders, calling him a rare example of integrity in the faith community. As Zimbabwe grapples with deepening poverty and widening inequality, Chivhayo's high-profile donations continue to divide public opinion, viewed by some as acts of generosity and by others as the symbols of state capture and elite impunity. Ndo mashoko aripo panguva ino. Ipinda comment section mene mbodza mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa, musana subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.